I'm Asher.
And I'm Matt Town.
And welcome to Idiocracy.
At its finest.
Yes! Finally! After 18 tries!
Step 1.
Intro to the video. So, on today's episode of, what was it again?
Idiocracy.
Idiocracy at its finest. We will be showing you how to make your own YouTube video. Step 2.
Getting the idea. So, video ideas.
I mean, everything gets put on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, and like, even you and I have made like YouTube videos.
Yeah.
And for you, it's just like the one. I think mine, I've posted 45.
Don't need to brag.
I'm not intending on bragging, but it's just like, what if people watch YouTube and they're like, hey, how does this stuff get made?
That's it. How to make a video.
That's a great idea.
Yes!
Alright. Alright, I need to title this. Alright. Video idea acquired. Make videos. Yeah!
Yeah!
Step 3.
Get equipment to record. We need to get the equipment.
The file systems.
Which one should we get?
I know that the file
The good
system
one.
is very different from my
would you
computer
say is
versus
the
this
good
computer
one?
here. You see, because I have a MacBook Pro, my computer uses
I know,
uses the
yeah.
binder. My computer's file system is known as the binder.
No, we need a tripod.
Yeah, it does.
Third time's the charm? Excuse me?
Third time to try.
Alright.
SD card, 2,538.
Alright, I'm gonna be heading out now.
Oh no.
Well, you're not supposed to drop it. Step 4. Finding a place to record.
I was supposed to say finding a place to record.
What are you thinking?
Recording.
I know.
I don't really know. Come on.
Oh, sorry.
I think I might have an idea of a place. I like these small rooms. Because lighting.
Yeah, they are very good for lighting.
Go.
Bruh.
I feel like the worst vlogger.
Yeah. I feel like a robot right now. My pelvis is facing forward, but I'm facing sideways.
You're an Egyptian hieroglyph. Step 4.5.
Finalize the location. We could record right here. All right. I'm sorry. All right. Step 5.
Recording the video, even if it's stupid. So we're done setting up.
Yeah, that's right!
Now it's time to just record the actual video.
Yes.
Yeah, we definitely haven't been doing that and actually just been recording extra parts. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep now because of the pain that I just caused to myself.
Step 6.
Editing footage. after a few days of attempt. Alright. Well, now that we've done the recording stage, it's now time to get to the editing stage, which is currently through a few set of doors. Let's get to it.
Why is this?
Sorry, Carter, not my problem anymore. He has it. I tried to help.
Do you have it?
Yeah,
I trust you.
Editing software.
It is confusingly straightforward.
The razor on the middle left cuts up parts of your video.
In the top right, you can find the effects and transitions.
To add text, click the T below the razor and click where on the screen you want text.
Good luck, and explore. And that was
How to make a video on Idiocracy at its finest. Guess that's the outro for that.
Yep.
What are we doing now?
I don't know. I'm going to the bathroom.
Alright, I'll think of something. Well, I guess while he's doing that, I'll just say that if you like potatoes, you like cookies, you don't like what happens next.